On most electronic devices, you have something called a factory reset that deletes everything off of the device so that it is completely brand new. Not in terms of construction, but in terms of the actual software. Amazon actually has two ways to do this in a way. For example, if you want to factory reset the entire device, what you would do is go down to Settings and Device Options. From there, you can click right here, Reset. If you say OK, this is going to delete everything on your device. You will still be able to download items from the cloud as it says, but as the device stands in its inherent form with its storage capacity and the amount of gigabytes that you are allowed to use, if you click yes, it's going to delete everything. This is our review sample and this is the one that we do videos on, so I'm not going to click yes. But if you do click yes, it's just going to reset, and when you start it up, it's going to say choose your language, etc. That's not the entire point of this video. The other thing you can do is actually go over here to your account. As you see here, this is my account, that's my name, and it says it's my 9th Kindle. If you click over here on deregister device, you can click that and the device will be okay. In fact, we're going to do that for you right now. If we click deregister, it's going to remove this particular Kindle from your amount of Kindles you have. And as you can see here, your account is unregistered. This does not affect the actual things transferred over to the device via the software in terms of a cable. If I transferred things over to this device as is, they will still be here. But you can see that the cloud is not available, and it says you don't have any items that match the filters, etc. So you actually can't see any of the things from your account. Now don't worry. If you accidentally did this, this doesn't mean your Kindle is wiped and all of your things are gone. You don't have to worry about that. All you would do is go to register your Kindle. It's very simple. You would just set it up on this Kindle and insert your email and password. Once you click sign in, it will take a second and it will add back your Amazon account to this unit, this particular unit. It'll also say, what is your two-step identification, your verification? All you would do is go over to your phone. This doesn't give anything away because it's only a one-time passcode. Insert that passcode that you get on your phone into your Kindle, and then that will allow you access. After you've put that in, click sign in. And there you go. It says, welcome to your Kindle. This is yours. You're all set up. You would click next. Now, you don't want to go through all this stuff, so we'll just kind of skip it. It's basically throwing things at you. Would you like to sign up for this? Would you like to make your device kid-friendly? All that stuff. You can just kind of bypass all that. It's going to do its thing. It's going to think, and then it's going to put everything back. As you can see here, everything is back. My mangas, my books, everything. I can even go to my library. It says refreshing your home content, so you might have to wait till that's done. But you can go to your library right over here, and everything's going to be right back where it was. Now, it won't be downloaded anymore. So if I click on something, it's not going to open. It's actually going to start downloading. So it's in the queue right there. Once it finishes, you're going to be able to view it anywhere you want. Now, this applies to whether you deregister your Amazon app, whether it's on your tablet, whether it's on your PC. It's going to really be all kind of the same thing. So factory reset is not the same as deregistering your Kindle. So I hope this helps. Hope this clears everything up. And if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.